Number 1, same t-shirt yung suot ni Zion at nung ex niya. Take note of this shirt. Number 2, yung t-shirt design may natutulog tas may apoy. Could mean si Zion na natutulog sa bus during the dream sequence. And the apoy na sobrang significant imagery sa film. Number 8, the other boys look for a client in a local theater. This is inspired by Isetan and its history of an underground hook-up hub sa mga bakla. Just like Serendipity, nag-meet si Uno and si Zion for the second time for a with a client. Hindi natin alam kung gaano katagal oras na lumipas. In this very steamy scene, sila ng client. And kitang-kita sa mata ni Zion na is really longing for Uno. Can I just say, ang ganda-ganda ng mata ni Miguel Odron. Number 9, the client pays them and tells them to split the money. Pagkatapos, sinabihan si Uno ng client niya na huwag mag-drugs. A subtle foreshadowing.
Kung bibili ng drugs, ha?
Number 10, they separate and Zion enters a dilapidated comfort room. Dilapidated!